And then we finally hit the first game, and everyone was just like ready to go. We were like, we did the whole hands-in thing, and then we just got on the field. But yeah, that was a little cringe. But I mean, besides that, like everyone was just trying to do their best, trying to pass off each other, getting in the action of it. It was everyone just kind of got out and played. It was a lot of fun.
Athletic club, I would say, is a club for organizing events for people to get together and be active. We're really promoting just kind of a more active lifestyle for DigiPen students, trying to get that community together.
But then when the athletics club opened up in, I think it was 2022, and I was able to kick a ball and not think about ray tracing graphics or anything math related for like a few hours. It was so nice to just clear my head, just kick a ball and not think about it twice.
So in general, we kind of just try to make it so that whatever people want to do, we try to make it happen. It's kind of tough to get people to organize stuff because we're all super busy, but when we can, we've had interest in some badminton, some tennis before. We've had some people meet up with basketball.
And like group hikes as well.
Group hikes as well, yeah. And so like we have this Discord server where we're basically like, we make channels for the different sports and people can like ask if there's any interest, and then we try to help them schedule when we can, but they'll like be like, hey, does anyone want to go on a hike? Or we had like running before school like every week for a while, and then people would be like, yeah, I want to go, and then they plan a time, and we kind of just do what people are interested in.
I mean, we can meet people, here in our game projects and that side of them, but then you get to go out and go on a hike or play a game of soccer or something like that, and it just, you get another perspective of who they are.
It's like so nice to talk with my game team members, being like, oh, did you do this task and did you fix this bug? Are you coming to the game on Saturday? It's very nice to just, it's like, you don't really think of them as a coworker, you think of them as a friend.
Yeah. Another focal point for the athletic club is it's inclusive to like all skill levels. There's no like certain level of play that you need to meet.
I will say my exact, I have one favorite moment of the athletics club, and it was one of the first games we played. I come back, I think about this all the time, and Anton over here goes for a bicycle kick, which if you don't know what that is, he stands here, the ball's here, and he swings his foot and falls backwards to hit the ball while it's still up there. And watching that happen while I was on the side of the field was one of the best and most jaw-dropping moments of my soccer career.
We talk about we're gonna do 1-2s, we're gonna pass the ball around, we're gonna do this, we're gonna move, and then in that very specific moment, no one was talking, but the ball was just moving, and then it ended up with Nate, and Nate, scored from it. But then it was like, okay, finally, we practiced this, and then it worked, and then it was just an exciting moment.
I think I personally feel like standing proof that even if you have no experience playing soccer, because I really only started playing soccer the year the club opened, but now I'm in the competitive team. I am standing proof that if you don't think you can do it, you can. So sign up.
We want you. Uncle Sam over here.
Yeah, so I hope that
you for the
depending on where I go after I graduate, I hope that I've left a good impact and just good evidence that anybody can do it and anybody can join. And even if you're not great at it, you're still gonna love it.
This is the special DigiPen one.
There we go.
Yeah, it's.
Is that gonna get hung up somewhere?
I hope this gets framed up somewhere because
it's so pretty.
Yeah, no, they're really awesome looking, and I can speak for kind of all of us players, but I think we all just were really excited to finally have something a step above what we had before. It just kind of unifies us and shows the team spirit.